have to talk to God as if you're talking to a human. I would always ask people for something. I'd like, please do this for me, please do that for me, and they would not do it. So my expectations were never met from other human beings, and I would also not be able to meet their expectations. So I would just be like, through a period of time, after a period of time, I was just like, why am I even asking people for anything? Why, shouldn't I just go to God and ask him to handle everything? Anyways, he has only handled me, he has only taken care of me throughout my life. People have just disappointed me, so why not just ask God? So then I started sitting with God. I would just plug in earphones and I would play a recording, and I would literally just be like, hey God, how are you? Like today is 5th of December, and like my morning went like this, and then my afternoon went like this, and then this person did this to me, and this, and I'm so frustrated, God, and I really want this one thing. Can you please take care of it for me, right? I would never explicitly ask God, ki, please God, like just give this to me, please God, because the thing is, like now that I look back at my life in hindsight, I know that half of the things that God did not give to me, that I asked for, have always been just lessons for me. If I got them, then I would not be getting something bigger in hindsight when I look back. But at that moment, I did not know that. So now what I do, I don't ask. I just tell God, hey God, I am craving this. I'm craving this feeling. I'm craving this experience. Can you take care of it for me? I leave everything up to you. Now I am letting this go. I trust you completely. If you give this to me today, tomorrow, 10 years later, I anyways trust you. And if you give it to me, never, oh God, thank you so much for not giving it to me, because you know so much more than I do. I feel like it is much easier. I remember I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday, and she was just like, oh my God, I have been asking my mom for a pizza. I really want to eat a pizza. And I was just like, why are you asking her? She, anyways, is saying no to you. Why don't you just go and ask God? So I was just like, let's just go to a temple and like, let's just pray, God, we want a pizza. Can you take care of it for us? Because अगर तुम्हें भीख मांगनी ही है तो भगवान से भीख मांगो ना, तुम दूसरे लोगों से क्यों भीख मांगो? भीख मांगना सिर्फ भगवान के सामने अच्छा लगता है, इन माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.